Valentine's Day reminds you that love is work. It's a promise to stick by their side. You've tolerated their snores for too long.
Sorry.
Now, start monetizing them.
How?
This Valentine's Day, Flipkart presents the Snore Store. Open the Flipkart app and head to the Snore Store. Pick an item from a snore front and record your partner's snore. Our tech is trained to read their snore but reward you. The louder they snore, the bigger your discount. This Valentine's Day, celebrate your courage, your patience, and cash that in. Love is blind, not deaf. Visit Flipkart's Snore Store today. Sorry, tonight.